Hey guys, here to do another video. This time I'm gonna switch it up a bit. I have a Kate Spade bag, and I purchased this bag some time ago. This is the Kate Spade Jane Grove Street Leopard, and it is a crossbody. And I got this bag because it reminds me of the Louis Vuitton Eva clutch, just by the shape of it or whatever. So that's why I got that bag, this bag, because I've always wanted the Eva clutch, and it is discontinued, but you can find it on Fashion Files. So maybe one day I may get that bag or whatever, but right now I ain't gonna be able to pay that much for just one bag. So anyway, so here this is, and this is in the leopard print. And it also came in black, but I didn't like the black material that it came in, so I just picked this one right here. So here is the front, and then here's the side of the bag. There's the back, and then here is the bottom. Let me show you guys. Here's the tag, and I actually got this bag off of the KateSpade.com. They were having a sale, and the bag retails for $2.29, and I want to say I got this bag for like $50 because they were having some kind of sale or whatever. So I went ahead and got that. So let me show you guys the inside, and it does come with an extra strap, and then this right here does not come off or whatever, so it will, just like one of those Michael Kors bag I showed you, that it does stay attached to the bag. And so here is the inside of the bag. It's pretty. It's a pretty roomy bag, and I think you may be able to put a full-size wallet in the inside. I'm not sure. Let me see. Maybe a you may be able to put like a smaller thin wallet. But here's the inside of the bag. And it does have a pocket here on that side, and then there's no pocket on the other side. So you're just working with that one pocket. And that's pretty much it. And like I said, it does come with an extra strap, and the strap that it comes with, just a black plain strap that you will hook, you know, to the end of the bag and then to the other end, and then you can wear it as a crossbody, or you can just use just this chain part and just wear it as a shoulder bag. So this is this will be a cute cute bag to go out in, you know, just to kick it, have fun, do whatever it is you're gonna do with your boo or the ladies or your little home girls. But yeah, y'all, just want to show y'all this bag because I thought this was so freaking cute. Wear your cute little sundress or something, or cute little jeans with a nice top, and then you have this right here, baby, be popping. So just want to show you guys my little Kate Spade bag. And I actually just saw today that this bag is still available, but they had, like I said, they had in that other material, whatever, and I wasn't that crazy about that material, but you still can find this bag, like I always say, on those other sites. So it is called the Jane Grove Street Leopard. This is the leopard, but it's called, I guess, the Jane Grove Street bag or whatever. But yeah, here it is. And like always, if you guys have any questions, just let me know, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.